Fire can start anywhere, in your home, in a kitchen, or on a construction site. But here is a critical question. Do all fires behave the same way? The answer is no. Different fuels create different types of fires, and using the wrong methods, such as throwing water on a grease fire, can cause a dangerous and violent reaction. In this video, you will learn the classes of fire. Class A fires. Class A fires involve common solid materials such as wood, paper, cloth, rubber, and plastic. These are the most common types of fires found in homes, offices, and workplaces, and they usually leave behind ash and embers. Commonly used fire extinguishers for Class A fires include water, foam, and dry chemical powder extinguishers. Class B fires. Class B fires involve flammable liquids such as petrol, diesel, oil, paint, and grease. These fires spread quickly because the fuel can flow and expand the fire area. It is important to understand that it is the vapors from these liquids that burn, not the liquid itself. Using water on these fires is extremely dangerous, as it can spread the burning liquid and intensify the fire. Suitable fire extinguishers for Class B fires include foam, carbon dioxide, and dry chemical powder extinguishers. Class C fires. Class C fires involve flammable gases such as LPG, propane, and butane. These fires are highly hazardous due to the risk of rapid fire spread and explosion. The most important control measure is to shut off the gas supply if it is safe to do so. Suitable fire extinguishers for Class C fires include dry chemical powder extinguishers. Class D fires. A Class D fire involves combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, potassium, or lithium, especially when they are in powder or finely divided form, making them highly reactive and difficult to extinguish. These fires burn at incredibly high temperatures, often exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius. Standard extinguishing methods are not effective for these fires. Crucially, you must never use water or standard foam extinguishers on a Class D fire. Water reacts with the burning metal to create hydrogen gas, leading to an immediate and massive explosion. Suitable fire extinguishers for Class D fires include special dry powder extinguishers designed specifically for metal fires. Electrical fires. Electrical fires involve energized electrical equipment such as panels, wiring, switchboards, and motors. In some systems, these are referred to as Class C or Class E fires. The most critical step is to isolate or switch off the electrical supply. If the equipment is still energized, using water can result in serious electric shock. Suitable fire extinguishers for electrical fires include carbon dioxide and dry chemical powder extinguishers. Class F or Class K fires. These fires involve cooking oils and fats commonly found in deep fat fryers and commercial kitchens. Class F is used in the UK and Europe, while Class K is used in North America. These fires are particularly dangerous because using water can cause rapid vaporization, leading to a violent fire spread or explosion effect. Suitable fire extinguishers for these fires include wet chemical extinguishers, which cool the fire and create a foam-like layer over the oil to prevent reignition. Key safety message: not all fires are the same. Each class behaves differently, and using the wrong method to fight a fire can spread the fire, cause explosions, lead to serious injuries. The first step in fire safety is always identifying the correct class of fire before taking action.